Hello, and welcome to Financial Fluence, where we'll teach you the most up-to-date strategies and tricks for making money online. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below. And today, we'll show you how you can earn money just by reading. According to what I've heard, just a few people are aware of this procedure. I'll share it with you because you're a loyal subscriber, so you may achieve the success and lifestyle you truly deserve. This method is absolutely free, so you won't have to spend any money on it. All you need to earn money or do this work is a cell phone or a computer with internet access. Now, we'll need to use something related to Microsoft Word. We've got a unique solution here, but trust me when I tell you, it's really straightforward, even for those who have no prior experience or extraordinary abilities. Now pay close attention because this is a lengthy section. Regardless, it's not a tough task. This is something that will help you with your finances. Please first visit this website, hiresign.com. On this website, you can find a variety of online jobs that will allow you to work from home and earn a lot of money. I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Word to get paid every day. Take a look at this website for work-from-home options online. You don't have to spend anything to get started, and registration is also free. This opportunity is available to everyone from anywhere in the world. You will be paid on a daily basis using your preferred method. There are many things you can do online to make money, such as typing, proofreading, and taking paid surveys, as shown below. All we have to do now is scroll down to find graphic design, PowerPoint presentations, and spreadsheet positions, as well as a myriad of different ways to start making money. I'll teach you how to save a large amount of time in this video. Therefore, the best way to make money on this website is to put your whole heart and soul into it. Now it's time to get down to business with proofreading. The payment ranges from $5 to $10 per page. All that's left now is to double check the spelling and look for grammatical errors. Do you think your knowledge of the English language is poor? Don't worry, it's not an issue. You're under no obligation to speak to anyone. No prior experience is required for this role. I'll show you a genuine job that I'm now working on in a bit. This is split into two sections. In this case, they'll pay you $10 per page for this 2-page document for a total of $20. This procedure can be repeated as needed. You'll be taken to a page where you can apply to work as an online virtual proofreader if you click this link. Don't be afraid, it's a lot easier than you might think. I'll show you several free tools at the end of this video that you may use to automate your work. Make sure you stay long enough to discover what they are. This website is one of my favorites when compared to other websites that do the same type of work because they pay very reasonable fees. At $10 per page, it's a wonderful deal, and they also have flexible hours, which is a benefit. You are entirely in charge of how much or how little you work. All you need is an internet connection and a mobile phone or computer to do it all from the comfort of your own home. Now, I'll show you how to create a fully free account. However, the registration process is very hard, so be sure you don't make any mistakes. This application procedure may be found by scrolling down here. All you have to do now is click the button below to apply to be an online proofreader. This will take you to this page where you can see all of the steps to submitting a job application by scrolling down. If you click on this link right now, you'll be taken to this website. The guidelines for submission can be found here. You'll see this button that says Advance to Application. If you scroll down further, simply click the Apply Now button. Follow the instructions, and you'll be sent to the hiresign.com online application form. It can become a bit complicated at this point, so dial back and observe the procedure again to make sure you don't miss anything vital. If you look right here, you'll see this application form. Now, it's crucial to realize that you'll be asked a series of questions, to which you'll need to correctly respond to in order to be accepted and start earning money. I'll walk you through every step of this procedure. They want you to fill out this form with your first and last name, age, and email address. They then ask for your password, which you must confirm. The following element is about choosing your notice period. Make sure you choose it immediately, because if you do it that way, you'll be chosen within 24 hours. After that, you can begin working on the jobs listed below right away, and you can start earning money. So, if you're interested in the petition below, you should pick a proofreading job because it pays well and requires the use of Microsoft Word. Now it's time to pick a country. Simply select your own country. Bear in mind that this can be accessed from anywhere on the earth. Finally, as your current job status, choose Freelancer. This is critical because the possibilities of becoming a freelancer are much better for some people than for others. In this quick self-introduction section, I'll show you how to write properly. Hello, my name is blank, and I'm highly interested in applying for this proofreading position at HireSign, and I'm also open to receiving more job offers. Something along those lines could be an excellent place to start. After you finish writing that, click this box, then the blue register button, and that's it. You should be accepted and able to join HireSign.com within 24 hours, and you'll be able to start receiving files to work on and earning money online. As a result of this, the 2 pages in the Microsoft Word file in our sample will be paid $20. If you keep going at this rate, you'll be able to complete 10 jobs in under an hour, for a total of $200 for an hour's work. Take a look at what's going on here. You'll notice that you're presented with a Microsoft Word document that contains various grammatical and spelling errors. Microsoft Word, on the other hand, will automatically discover them. Several words and phrases have colored underlining, as you can see. With a single button press, you may right-click and have them quickly rectified. It's as simple as that. Just read the whole document and look for colored underlines. Then right-click on the mistakes and they will be fixed for you. You can do that over and over again. Allow me to show you another piece of software that will make everything you need to accomplish with this work a lot easier. Simply go to google.com and type in Reverse Speller, a spell checker. It can help you check for grammar and spelling mistakes. Simply copy and paste the content from your current document into this column. Then using this yellow button, double check everything. All of this may be done with a single mouse click. What a basic concept that can be repeated time and time again. Go back to the document, choose the text, then use the reverse speller to double check the grammar and spelling. And that's all. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.